Wait. No, wait. Did I use this concealer for... Oh my god. I used this brush for a black eyeshadow. Can you just imagine? See my life. Huh? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. And yes, we have new subscribers in the house. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hi, new subscriber, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you have a very nice time here in this home. And if you're a new viewer, you know it's your first time seeing this pretty face of mine, hi there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abisodun, and I'd like for you to not binge watch. You might as well do yourself that favor by subscribing to this channel. You know, just hit the subscribe button right down below and also hit the bell beside it, because that's just the only way you can get notified each time I have new uploads. And you don't say, I don't really know when she posts, you know. As you can see, my setting looks a little bit different, you know, from the normal or from my last video. Yes, you know, it's good to try out new stuff. So I'm trying to see different setups, see how I can achieve a good quality video. So I think I like this though, but I'd like to know what you guys think about the setup in the comment section below. So please run to the comment section now, just put a comment right there, put a feedback right there. Oh, I like your setup. Oh, I don't think I like it. So I'm going to be doing like a transformation video. I'm going to show you how I'll be transforming myself from this very beautiful, pretty state of mind, using mostly Nigerian brands. These brands are not totally new. They're products that I've used over time. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be rehydrating my face. I'm going to be using rose water facial spray to start up. I'll be using this Ghunu Effect rose water facial spray. I think many of us know what rose water does to our skin. If you don't know, please Google it, know what rose water is or what rose water does to you. You see that it's actually very good for your skin. So I always like to incorporate that in my makeup routine as well. I'm just going to spray this all over my face. I like to overdo things. Like, what's all this? What's all this? But you know, spraying things like this is quite refreshing. I like it so much. So I'm just going to pat this all over my face. My face looks like, hi, good morning, I'm up, type of thing. So after this, I'm going to go on priming my face, or should I just say moisturizing my face. I'm not really going to prime my face today because I'm totally not going anywhere, so I really don't think I should, but I'm just going to moisturize my skin. Like I said, Nigerian brand. This is a Nigerian brand as well. It's called Hydrate Moisture Maximizer by Omaricode X Bregha. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Guys, I really like hyaluronic acid a lot. Hyaluronic acid is so good for your skin. I've seen a lot of people talk about hyaluronic acid, but if you want to know what it is and what it does to your skin, please, by all means, Google it and know what it is. So it has hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin B3, it has blah, 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 it has everything. A little goes a long way. It's actually tacky right now. I feel it's tacky. So if I pull my product at this point now, it's going to absorb the whole thing and then to help it last longer. I mean, that's what I've heard people who use this product say. It's just going to hold up and stay there. So for my foundation, I'm going to be wearing NUBAN Beauty in My Skin foundation. I think this is in the shade D12. Guys, I really... Oh, so this is on D12, this is on D12. This is W11. The tag is not on it anymore, so... But when I got this foundation, I got a small one, like a test. This is in D12, and this is a bit darker, and it says in my skin, which means it's meant to give you a very nice flawless skin finish look. And I'm going to be applying them together. I'm not going to mix them, so I'll put the darker one around the side to make my face warmer because my neck is dark, like I already said in my previous video. I always say that. And then the brighter one just right on the top, on the upper part of my face. So just before I apply my foundation, I'm going to be correcting my dark spots. You know, I realized that when I use products, sometimes they don't really cover it. Most of the times people use orange correctors or peach correctors, concealers to correct their black spots. You could do that as well, but I think I'm just going to be using a normal concealer shade. So I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just going to apply that on my dark spots. I'm just going to apply that. You don't have to be this dramatic like I am. So I'm just going to go on with my foundation and just blend everything together. So this is the darker one. I'm going to spray my brush. I feel like it gives better coverage with the same spray I used at the very beginning. So I'm going to start right here. I really like the way my skin is under this foundation. It's looking really breathable, really nice, and just normal. I really like the coverage of this foundation. Like, we're doing very well in Nigeria, guys. Like, our brands are good, the ones that I know of. So I'm going to move on to concealer. So I'm going to be using concealer from this same brand, NUBAN Beauty, with the shade 049, which is the darkest one, and 044, which is this light skin shade. As you can see, this 044 is way brighter than what I would use to highlight my face, so you're going to have to excuse me here. I have to use another concealer as my normal concealer, then I'll come back and use this bright one to just open up my eyes a little bit more. So with that, I'm going to go back to my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. The 049, the dark one, and I'm just going to apply that on my forehead. And once I blend that, I immediately just use the bottom part of my beauty blender to just blend in between the line of the contour and my highlight to make it smooth and just diffuse the whole thing. Now, like, my face is already shaping up. You know, my face is not looking good. It's already all coming together. So now I'm going to go to my NUBAN Beauty Concealer 044, the brighter one. So with this, I'm just going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, just right here. That way it can, you know, brighten up my eyes. So I'm just going to contour my nose. Just going to put it here with the same concealer, guys, with the same NUBAN Beauty concealer. I feel this is even too dark. So I'm just going to bring this into my... So I'm just going to bring that into... So dark. Wait. No, wait. Did I use this concealer for... Oh my god, I use this brush for a black eyeshadow. Can you just imagine? See my life. Huh? Guys. I was just wondering, why is that place black? This concealer is not black now. What is happening? Maga, what is happening? So I guess we're done with the whole highlighting and contouring. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using NUBAN Beauty as well. All Control Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Sahara. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be taking a contour shade from this palette. It's the ZIKEL Cosmetics Mattifying Powder Palette. And I'm going to be using this shade to contour my face. We are done with the whole thing and we are going to move to the eye. And I'm still going to go over it in the shade Alabaster, and it's kind of white. I'm going to be using that to bake. So I'm going to start with my eyes first before going on to my brows. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to outline my brows, like underneath my brows, just like the way you highlight your brows once you draw them. Like actually I learned this from another YouTuber. Her name is Tife Jones. She's really good with eyeshadow looks and all. She's like, did I say she's good? No, I mean she's amazing. I'm just going to go ahead to apply my eyeshadow primer. So it's called the Younger Beauty Assurance Shadow Primer. Hey guys, I'm so sorry guys. For the life of me, I had no idea I wasn't recording these parts at the time I was filming, and unfortunately I didn't film the second eye. I really apologize, but I sure would recreate this look in another video for clarifications. I'm so sorry. Thank you. I'm going to be using this shimmer here. I'm going to be using a very flat brush to do that. Can you see? So I'm just gonna gradually put that way up. I feel like I'm looking so weird right now. The color on the outer corner of my eye, I'm just going to blend it into this brow, so it comes into the what's the word? Into the shimmers. So just give it like a gradient effect. I'm just going to line my waterline with a gel liner. So I'm going to be using this Hush Beauty NG, and it's the one in 02. I'm not exactly going for black eyeliner. I want to go for something brown. But because I don't have like a brown gel liner, I'd rather just use a black gel liner as a foundation and then put the brown eyeshadow on top of it. This is where I apply my pigments, and I'm going to be using this one from LUZTA Pigment in the shade Pearl. And they also have pigment glue. My finger, I'm just going to place it where I want it to be. Oh. Oh. So I'm just going to go on and pop on my lashes, and the lashes I'm going to be using are from Younger Beauty. But then they have a different name for their lash line, which is called ENLASH. And this is in the style Uju. For my lips, I'm going to be doing a very nude kind of lips. So I'm going to line my lips, and I'll be using Beauty Line by Didi Retractable Lip Pencil. So now I'm going to be applying very nude LipStain, and I'm going to be using this from ZIKEL Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Celebrity. I'm just going to use my concealer on top of that, the NUBAN Beauty Concealer that I used at the very beginning. Let's just give it a pop. Did you say I'm hot? Makeup Lily. Hey guys, thank you so much for staying through this video. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. So I'd like for you to leave your comments in the comment section below to let me know what you've learned from this whole makeup look. I'm so excited about this look. Like, I can't even stop looking. Look at that glow, guys. So I'm just gonna let you go and just stare at this awesomeness. Don't you think I'm awesome? Don't think so? I think I'm awesome, by the way. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video.